I really do like it. It's beautiful. Please subscribe, like, and share. All my social media contacts are below. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be testing out the Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez products. I got some products from Sephora. I'm just gonna be showing you guys some products that I got, and that way I could test them out, see what products I like. It does look really amazing and really natural. Let's see what happens. First things first, I already washed my hands, which is a great thing, but I also have a little alcohol wipe that I'm just gonna use really quickly just to make sure everything's good and clean. My hands are clean. So now I'm just gonna tie my hair back, make sure it's out of my face. And it's always the Optimus 4-in-1 mist. It's a glow boosting mist that hydrates, primes, sets, and refreshes skin. Kind of opened it a little bit so it's easier. This is how it looks. It's a really nice bottle. It says shake well on the box, so I'm gonna shake it a little bit. Okay, that's good enough. It smells really good and it feels really refreshing. Is the Liquid Touch foundation. I got 420N. There are 48 shades for the foundation, which is a lot of different colors, so I'm sure everyone could go and test it out. This is how it looks. It's really cute. It is 30 ml, so you could definitely bring this, like if you were to travel in the future. This is a product that you could bring along with you in your purse, which is perfect. I'm gonna open it up, and this is how it looks, guys. Yeah, and let me show you guys like the inside of it. To be really careful because you don't really want it to drop all over you. I'm just gonna go and apply on my skin right now. Okay, also I got the brush from the Rare Beauty line. It's a cruelty-free foundation brush, the box. And yeah, so I'm just gonna open this up. Wow, it's actually going to my skin really smoothly. And it's really soft. I just put one layer on it. It feels really light on my skin, which is a good thing. It's like it looks like it's matching my skin tone. I wouldn't say this is a full coverage foundation or light medium, which is totally fine. I want more of that natural look, you know, when you're going outside. You don't really want like a heavy makeup unless you're like probably gonna go out for a party or a house gathering. But when is that really gonna be happening right now anyways? Like more of a day-to-day wear. I have to look on the mirror as well, guys, just because it's easier for me. Your hair. And it's blending the foundation in really well. And now I'm gonna do my forehead. Like, look how, I feel like my face is glowing a little bit. I am kind of impressed right now. It does feel really nice on my skin. I did pretty well. I picked a foundation match for my skin tone. Pretty close to it. I'll bring it down to my neck. I don't really put it on my neck too much, but you do want to match neck to face. She also has concealer. I didn't get that one. I'm just gonna use a concealer that I have. It's just a 400 medium dark. And I'm just gonna use my own concealer because I feel like it. I am gonna use my own beauty blender to blend it out. Really important to get in the creases. That's why I love beauty blenders. All right, so that's done. Brown Harmony Crayon and Gel. It's a deep brown is the color I got. So I'm just gonna show you guys. So it has like a angle to it, which, let me test this out. Doing your eyebrows is always the hardest because you're just trying to match them best as you can, but it is always the hardest. but it's okay. They're looking pretty good. I do like it. Deep enough, but it doesn't look too fake. It looks still natural. All right, let me try this brow gel. This is how it looks, guys. Yeah, so these are my eyebrows we just did. Try to match it, guys. Blush, it's a soft pinch dewy liquid blush. I got lucky because, you know, I want to be lucky. And it's a long-lasting liquid blush that blends and builds beautiful. I'm gonna put the blush on the back of my hand. Just gonna dab a little bit. This is the color of the blush of Lucky. Really pretty. I'm gonna use a different brush. It's brand new, and I'm just gonna dab it onto my cheekbone. Ooh, I think I put a little bit too much, but balance this out. I can fix it, don't worry. This is a really nice color though. I like seeing blush that's on my skin tone. Sometimes when people put another brown, it doesn't really look as nice as when I see like a vibrant color on my cheekbones. More prefer that. Just gonna fix it up a little bit with my foundation brush. I'm gonna use a little bit of this blush and put it on my eyelids just because I feel like doing it, and why not? I'm gonna be going really girly today. I'm using a different brush of mine. Makeup, you know, testing things out, trying things for this first time, seeing what works for you, products that you actually would use every year. I have products that I've been using for like 10 years that I really like. You just keep going back and buying more and more and more because it works for you, and that's what you want when you go out and buy these makeup products. You want products that's gonna last you and that's also gonna work really well. Super cute. Highlighter, it's a Positive Light liquid luminizer. I got Flaunt, and this is the box of it. This is how it looks. It's super nice, the color of it. I just thought it's so beautiful, and I'm like, I need to test it out. Like, why not? This is how it looks, guys, inside. It could get really messy inside. All right, so I'm just gonna put some on the top here. All right, so I'm just gonna blend it in. Wow, I do see it. The highlight, which is really nice. Wow, such a difference. Holy smokes. When you put highlighter on your face, it just makes your face look so much better. I also got the liner. It's the Perfect Strokes matte liquid liner. It's black. It's an intense waterproof liner. The box, how it looks. Open this up. Oh, this is cute. This is different. It looks like a pen. It really does look like a pen. It's going on really smoothly and easily, so that's a good thing. Wow, I'm gonna try the other side now. Yeah, I really do like it, guys. Went on really easily, really smoothly. This liquid eyeliner is really nice. I do like it so far. I don't believe she has a mascara out. I'm gonna use one of my own Maybelline mascaras. Got it from Shoppers, Drug Mart. I'm just gonna blink. And I'm gonna do a little bit on the bottom as well. The last thing I do is my lips. My Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm. It's a compliment one. That's the one I got. This is the box. I'm just gonna show you guys. It's really smooth. Wow. It's nice. It's called Compliment. So I'm obviously complimenting myself. You guys are gonna laugh. This is literally a 50 Shades mirror that I got for free for some products that I got. Anyways, the mirror is pretty good, so. If you guys like my final look here, it's really pretty. I really like it. I'm gonna shake this a little bit, and I'm just gonna spray it on. Smells so good and it's refreshing. It's just gonna set the makeup on. Whew. This is so beautiful. I do really like the natural glow and the look of it all. It's really nice and subtle and it's really pretty. I would definitely wear some of her products from Rare Beauty. I think she did a great job. There's also some other items that I believe that they're working on, such as like the eyeshadows palette. You know, I'm sure she's gonna be doing some other great products in the future. For the products that I use so far, I do really like it. And again, it's reasonable. It's not too high and it's not too low. For the Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation, that one has 48 shades. It is going for $38. It's nice. I really do like the foundation. It went on my skin really nicely, so I am happy about it. Luckily, I chose a color that matches my skin tone. I got the 420N. Brow Harmony Pencil and Gel. 8 different shades in that one, and it's going for $29. I do really like it. I like the pencil more than the brow gel, to be honest. I did really like how it went with my eyebrows. Usually I use like dark brown. For her color, I got the deep brown. That's a thumbs up. Soft Pinch Liquid Blush. It went on really nicely. I had to put it on the back of my hand just because I didn't want too much to go on my cheekbones. Somehow a little bit went on more on this side, but I try to, you know, blend it out a little bit more after that. It's 8 different colors and it's going for $26. Not bad. I like the color. I put a little bit on my eyelids as well. Why not? All right, so the Liquid Touch Foundation Brush, I do really like it. It goes on really smoothly when I was applying, blending it with the foundation. It is going for $36. Obviously, I have my own set of brushes that I use constantly as well that I like. So if this is something that you know you want to get like a really good foundation brush, yeah, I would say get it. But there's obviously a lot of other brushes out there that you could get as well. It might be a little bit cheaper. Primer that I got, always an Optimist 4-in-1 mist. It's really nice. I like how it smells. You know, you have to shake it well. I put some on just to hydrate my skin before, and it's $32. Positive Light Liquid Luminizer Highlighter, it's going for $29. It has 8 different colors to it. I picked the Flaunt color. I thought it would be nice on my skin tone as well, and I really do like it. At the top here, over here, on my nose. My lip, the Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm is going for $21. It has 8 different colors. I got the compliment. I would wear this going out for dinner. I would wear this during the day. Pat it on a little bit and just, you know, smudge my lips to make it a lighter for the day. There are some products out there that she has in her line that I didn't get. I'm gonna go down through the list. I didn't get the Liquid Touch Brightening Concealer. It's $25. I will test it out sometime later on in the future. But yeah, there's also 48 different shades for the concealer. Then she has like a blot and glow touch-up kit. It's really cute. It's $34 for that. Always Optimist Illuminating Primer, which is $18. And she also has the Liquid Touch Multitasking Makeup Sponge, but that one is going for $18. It's a white color. It has a nice different shape to it. It's completely different from the one that I have here at home, but since I already had one, I decided not to buy it at the time. But yeah, if you want to go and test it out. Also has the Liquid Touch Concealer Brush. I was going for $21. Also have a Blot and Glow Powder Puff Refill, which is $20. And then she has a Blot and Glow blotting paper refill, and that's going for $6. Also, she has the Lip Souffle Matte Cream Lipstick. There are 12 different colors in that, and that one's going for $26. In the future, I will definitely try one of the lipsticks for sure. Overall, I really do like this look. I really love it. It feels really light on my face. Like, it doesn't feel caked. It's definitely a plus, I have to say, for her foundation. I really like that. All right, so I took my hair out for you guys just to see with the makeup look. I'm loving it. I would definitely get some more products from the Rare Beauty line. Thank you all for watching my video today. Please subscribe, like, and share. All my social media contacts are below, so stay tuned. There's gonna be new videos every week.